Hello students, we have learned about the method of finding rational numbers between given rational numbers having same denominator. I will give that link in the description box so you can go through that once again. Today we can move on to the method of finding rational numbers between given rational numbers with different denominators. For that, consider the problem. Find 10 rational numbers between negative 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. So you can see the denominators are 6 and 8. They are different. So one of the method is to find the least common multiple of the denominators. So denominators are 6 and 8. We need to find the least common multiple and make the given rational numbers with that denominator. Okay. So write 6 and 8 and we can see they are divisible by 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then 3 is divisible by 3, so write 3. Then 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 4 is not divisible, so you can write 4 there. Then 4 is divisible by 4, so you will obtain 1 and 1. Then you can write LCM equals 2 times 3 times 4, which is equal to 6 times 4, that means 24. So we have to write the given rational numbers with the denominator 24. So negative 5 by 6 is equal to negative 5 by 6, multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. So we will get the denominator as 24. So you can see that is equal to negative 20 by 24. Then write 5 by 8 with denominator 24. And we know that 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. You will obtain 15 by 24. So you can see there are so many rational numbers in between these two rational numbers. Okay, we have to write only 10 of them. So we can see negative 19 by 24, negative 18 by 24, negative 17 by 24, negative 16 by 24, negative 15 by 24, negative 14 by 24, negative 13 by 24, then negative 12 by 24. You have to list 10. Okay, so negative 12 by 24, then negative 11 by 24, and negative 10 by 24. You can see these are the 10 rational numbers. So you will obtain 10 rational numbers. There are other numbers also, so you can see the denominator is same, numerator is changing. Okay, so you can see etc. up to 14 by 24 are the rational numbers which lies in between negative 20 by 24 and 15 by 24. So you can list only 10 of them. You can list any 10. Okay, so this is one of the method by using LCM. Now we can move on to the other problem. Find one rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So we have to find only one rational number. Similarly, we can use that LCM method. Okay, so LCM of 4 and 2 we need to find. Okay, so you can see they are divisible by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then 2 is divisible by 2, so you will obtain 1 and 1. So in this case, LCM is 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, so you have to write 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 with denominator 4. In case of 1 by 4, the denominator is already 4, no need to convert that. Then we have to make the denominator of 1 by 2 to 4. So you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, you will obtain 2 by 4. So you can see the numbers are 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. There are no numbers which lies in between. We will not obtain the rational number which lies in between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 by using LCM method. Okay, so you have to take any other common multiple of the denominators 4 and 2. You can see 8 is a common multiple of 4 and 2, so convert that denominator into 4. Okay, so multiply 1 by 4 by 2. Okay, the numerator and denominator by 2, you will obtain 2 by 8. Then multiply 1 by 2 by 4, so you will obtain the denominator as 8. Okay, so multiply numerator and denominator, you will obtain 4 by 8. So here you can see 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. Okay, so we can see the rational number 3 by 8 lies in between these two. Okay, so we can take any rational number. Okay, any multiple of 4 and 2, any common multiple of 4 and 2 we can take to find the rational numbers. Okay, so in this case 3 by 8 is the required rational number. Depending on the denominator, the rational number will also change. Okay, so the answer is not unique. You may obtain different answers by changing that denominator. Suppose instead of one rational number we have to find, say, 3 rational numbers that lies in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So you can see, if you take the denominator as 8, you will obtain only one rational number. So this method will not work. So we can take the denominator as a number, a common multiple which is more than 8. Okay, so you can take any common multiple of 4 and 2. So I am going to write 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 with denominator 20. So I have to multiply 1 by 4 by 5. So you will obtain 5 by 20. 1 by 4 is same as 5 by 20. Then multiply 1 by 2 by 10. Multiply the numerator and denominator. So you will obtain 10 by 20. So you can see there are 4 rational numbers. Like after 5 we have 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you have to list only 3 of them. So write the rational numbers as 7 by 20, 8 by 20 and 9 by 20. So these are the 3 rational numbers which lies in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay, so if you change the denominator to any other number, accordingly the rational number will also vary. Okay, so this is the method. Hope you understood this. Thank you. See you on another video.